Yeah, the clouds like this make it weird. All right, come on. All right.
Timer cleared.
Going up.
Gear up.
Man, it's windy up there.
Remember, the afterburner is the smaller of the two orange globes.
Yeah. I gotta get rid of the red ring. There's a red ring you can barely see. Yeah. Yeah, you can see the orange overpowers it.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, I can't even see the red ring.
Yeah, it's barely there.
Yeah. I mean, you might save a little weight if you.
Oh, I wouldn't pull it out, I just unplug it.
Yeah.
But I mean, I think it looks fine with it plugged in, because you can't even hardly tell. Almost got that wiggle out, not totally.
What is that wiggle?
I think that it's just, sometimes you have to adjust the linkages with the gyros, because they're moving too much.
Turn the gain down?
The gain doesn't help either, so I just think that the linkage is just in the wrong place. Because I did it with the rudder and it helped.
Time remaining 1 minute.
But I haven't done it on the other surfaces yet.
It's almost like the aileron gain has to be reduced just a little bit.
Yep. But when you do it, it moves more. So maybe I just have to go up. Yeah, it's weird. It's an odd gyro.
Yeah,
It's
so
an,
take the gain up first.
yeah, it's an odd gyro. It's a sub-arc gyro. So it's better now. It's moving a lot less than it used to.
One of the best gyros is that I3E. Do you know that gyro?
I3E. What's that?
It's by Powerbox. It's
That one. Yeah, I've heard of it.
It's $195 from Chief Aircraft. It's a little expensive, a little pricey, but it's an incredibly good gyro. You can go into it with a computer and move things around if you want, or just plug it in and
9, 8,
program it at the
7,
field.
Right.
6,
Literally 5
5,
minutes, you put it in.
Nice.
2,
And
1.
I usually put my gain on a slider,
Mm-hmm.
and I just adjust in flight.
Nice. Yeah, that's the way this one should be. But easier because the other gyros that I have, they're on the knob.
Landing flaps.
Yeah,
This
try
makes
the
it easier.
i3E. You will come to me and say, what a difference.
I've seen people fly with it.
Awesome.
It's I've seen them set it up at the field and fly it here. There you go. I guess I'm not too afraid of it anymore. I can talk while I'm landing.
Yeah, I try not to talk.
No, it's all right.
Said, oh, he's talking back.
That's
so
all
it
right.
must
I'm
be
good.
okay.
I've had this thing a couple of years. I'm good
Yeah.
with it.
You have enough CPUs in your head,
Ugh.
CPU cycles in your head to talk and fly it.
Yeah. The muscle memory's there now.
Yeah. I used to be like that with helicopters at first. Now I can, of course, even carry on a debate about it.
I knew that was coming.
Now you have it on video.
It's on video too. That's not coming out. It's staying right there. Oh, this thing's fun.